In this question we're looking at about a probability question involving a speed camera, and we can see the question here. And so we're told, first of all, we're just looking at the different speeds, and we're told that 68% of the drivers are male. So it's important we actually look at the next part of the question to figure out how we're going to do this tree diagram. So with this part of the diagram we've got a little bit more information. We've got the first part of the information at the top here where we're told about the 68% of drivers are male, and so I would actually start off my tree diagram with male or female. So we'll do out there, and we've got male and we've got female, and we're told that 68% of the drivers are male, so I'll just do that in a different colour. 0.68 are male, which means 0.32 are female. And then we're told we've got some speeds down here in the next set where we're told that 30% drive between 55 and 65 and 45% drive between 65 and 75. Now that doesn't add up to 100%, so there's obviously people who drive at a different speed. So we're going to have three branches coming out from this next one now for each of these options. 1, 2, 3. And the three options are from 55 to 65, then 65 to 75, and that's in terms of the speed, and then other, because it could be people who are less than 55, or in this case here it's more likely to be more than 55, more than 75. So I'll actually take that last one away and change that to more than 75. We need this here, so greater than 75, because the probabilities for these three don't add up to 1. So the probability for 55 to 65 for males, we're told that's 0.3. The next option is 0.45. So therefore we can use, if we add up to 1, that 25% of drivers drive more than 75 kilometres per hour. And we do the same for females. So we've got 55 to 75, or 55 to 65, sorry. 65 to 75, and then greater than 75. And we go through and we put the probabilities on there. So for the girls we've got 0.45, then 0.35, so that means that's 0.2. And from that we can now answer the question. What is the probability that a driver receives an infringement notice for driving between 65 and 75 kilometres per hour? So that's that one and that one. Because they haven't said anything about male or female, so we've got to count for both. So the way we'll work that out, and I'll just put this working here, we'll have 0.68 times 0.45, and down here we'll have 0.32 times 0. Oops, just go back one, times 0.35. And so you'll work those out on your calculator and you'd add them together to get your answer. And that's how you work out that particular question.